Perfecto. Gracias.
Yeah.
Muy bien, gracias. Good morning internet, it is 8:15 in the morning and welcome back to the channel. It is a lovely day again, look at it. Yesterday in the evening there were a lot of dark clouds coming in and it rained quite a bit, late afternoon and in the evening. So I hope that the tracks are dry today and it's not going to be too difficult. So today is day number 2 of Ruta de las Lagunas and today I am riding to Laguna Colorado. The Colored Lagoon, it's not very far. I do this on purpose because I'm riding at super high altitudes. The tracks are not so easy, so I try to just not make it too difficult for myself and just have an easy ride and arrive there in time. So that's the plan for today. So let's go! Well, now it's a beautiful day again. Look at this. Oh, and I had a pancake breakfast. So that's, I think, the first pancake breakfast since I arrived in South America. So it's a nice change after all that toast. It really is a shame of all the tracks everywhere, because it's relatively dry here, and with this ground that basically means once a track always a track. They don't just disappear anymore, and then you just get this, yeah, the entire landscape is full of car tracks. It's really a shame. I get why they do it, because this, where I'm riding now, this is supposed to be the main road. See, now I don't even know which one is the main road, but it's super bumpy, so the cars just take these side tracks here, which are probably less bumpy, but yeah. Eventually those side tracks also gotta be bumpy, because the more cars pass on it, the more they kick up the dirt and create the washboard. hostel. See if I can get a room here. Hola, buenas. Disculpe? Desde Holanda.
Holanda, que
Sí.
moto.
En moto.
¿Solo nomás?
¿Tiene habitación?
Sí.
Sí.
A ver, yo voy a abrir allá, allá la puerta.
Ajá.
Yo voy a abrir.
Ok.
Adelante.
Gracias. ¿Tiene habitación privada?
Privado no tengo.
Solo.
Pero una habitación para usted solo puede ser.
¿Sí? Ok.
Aquí puede ser para usted solo.
Usted solo, sí.
No hay más.
No voy a compartir.
No, no,
Sí.
no.
Ok, ¿y cuánto vale?
50 bolivianos.
50 bolivianos.
Ah.
Ok.
Ya.
¿Y baño?
Allá es el baño.
Aquí.
Vamos. El baño.
Ok, perfecto.
Acá es el baño.
Ajá.
Es la ducha.
Ok, muy bien. Ok.
¿Ya?
So I found a place to stay. The owner seemed to be going quite strong on the coca leaves. Oh, I don't like chewing this coca leaves. But I made it to Laguna Colorado. Oh, there's already flamingos there. Look. So I'm just going for a short walk. See some viewpoint or something, and then I'm gonna try to get some food. I don't know, I asked the owner, can I eat something here, and he's like no, but then his wife was like yes, and then they went back and forth no and yes a few times. So I'm sure it will be fine. For the no and me, it was a super bumpy ride. The both of us really took a beating, but I guess as always it was definitely worth it. Wow, look at all these flamingos, so many of them. These rocks actually are the trail. I just have to climb this hill. And then there's a viewpoint. Wow, this is amazing. I'm going to spend the rest of the afternoon here, relaxing with the flamingos. So that was it for today. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And then I'll see you in the next video. Perfecto. Gracias.
Yeah.
Muy bien, gracias. So I got some lunch after all, which I'm really happy with because I still have some snacks with me, but yeah, snacks is not really a proper meal. So they gave me a soup with, oh, what is this? Oh, with some meat in it and some vegetables. and some bread. So well, the soup is pretty good. I think the meat is llama meat. Now I'm not an expert on llama meat, but given that it's the only animal which is around here, and it does taste a bit like llama. But no, it's nice. It's really nice.